Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce inventory management costs with TradeGecko, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of effective inventory management. Identify the key areas where costs arise, such as storage, shipping, and product obsolescence. Familiarize yourself with TradeGecko, a powerful inventory manager. Create an account on TradeGecko and log in to access the dashboard. Navigate to the inventory section to gain an overview of your stock levels. Utilize TradeGecko's real-time tracking feature to monitor inventory across multiple locations. Set up automatic stock alerts to notify you when inventory levels are low. Implement a reorder point system to minimize stockouts and excess inventory. Analyze sales trends using TradeGecko's reporting tools to forecast future demand. Adjust your purchasing strategy based on these forecasts to avoid overordering. Integrate TradeGecko with your e-commerce platforms for seamless inventory updates. Optimize your supplier relationships by using TradeGecko to track vendor performance. Negotiate better terms and pricing based on accurate inventory data. Review your product assortment regularly to identify slow-moving items. Consider bundling products or offering discounts to reduce excess stock. Utilize TradeGecko's features to analyze the profitability of individual products. Make informed decisions about discontinuing unprofitable items. Streamline your fulfillment process by using TradeGecko to manage orders efficiently. Explore the option of drop shipping to reduce warehousing costs. Consider implementing a just-in-time inventory system to further cut costs. Continuously assess your inventory management practices for improvement opportunities. Leverage TradeGecko's customer support resources for any questions or challenges. Document all changes in your inventory management processes for future reference. Stay updated with TradeGecko's latest features and upgrades to maximize efficiency. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce inventory management costs using TradeGecko. Achieve a more streamlined, cost-effective inventory system for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.